Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is July the 4th, 2020. Here to get all a very quick update on VeChain. I know this particular currency is getting a lot of traction lately. A lot of people are interested in seeing whether or not VeChain is going to continue to see that powerful move higher that started all the way back in March of 2020. We're going to update you all on that. But before I do, if this is your first time watching our video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and as well follow us on all of our other social media platforms. We want to make sure that you all stay in tune and informed of the many price predictions that we are tracking here as an organization at HueFin News. All right, so make sure you all hit those links in the description of this video to make sure that you are attached and informed of what we're noticing in the cryptocurrency space. So now let's talk about VeChain real quick. And amazingly, we haven't done a video on VeChain since April of 2019. Okay, the last time we did a video, it's in our playlist, was on April the 6th, 2019. You guys can see right here, we did one of these predictions for our members on our website right here on January 2nd, 2020, with the expectation of VeChain seeing a market move higher in price. And obviously you can tell from the performance of the trap that, yeah, that forecast has played out precisely as what we expected. So what we're going to do, we're going to get rid of this, and we're going to update you all on our price chart that we had on going into the market for VeChain. Let's get rid of this line right there, and then now we're going to take this trend line and place it all the way up here in the market for VeChain. You guys can see that the particular price in VeChain is now trading at an area that hasn't been traded at since 2018. So a 2-year span, this market in VeChain has not been traded around 1 penny in 2 years. It's been trading below that the whole time into the market in VeChain. Okay, so that's the daily perspective into the market in VeChain. Let's take a look at VeChain on the weekly time frame real quick, and we're going to talk about the market generally in this space. And no doubt about it, you know, VeChain is seeing a very good movement to the upside. The last 2 weeks into the market of VeChain, the market just simply consolidated, closing off of the highs, which is commensurate with what occurred on the week of June the 8th, to where sellers came into the market. So now going forward, I'm going to tell you that the value of VeChain cannot break below 1 penny in order for us to maintain the massive move that has started in 2020 of March. We cannot see VeChain break below that price. Now currently we still got 1 day and 8 hours left for VeChain, but this particular strength that we're seeing into the market right now, VeChain looks to continue, so much so that we're going to break above that 0.012 cent price level. Okay, we are expecting the market in VeChain to maintain the strength that it has been going through. And on a monthly time frame real quick, you guys can see that we are starting the month of July off quite well in VeChain, which is very positive to see and to note. And then before I go, I want to look at this on the hourly time frame. You guys can see that this has been a very bullish move into the market of late for VeChain. I don't see any indication that it's going to stop relatively soon. Market Trapper is definitely trying to show that he wants to continue to push the value of VeChain higher than where we are at right now. So that is going to be our forecast in VeChain. We're going to continue to play the strength into the market in VeChain. Understandably, you know, I know that where the market in VeChain is now trading is restriction. So in the sense of weakness, the market in VeChain preferably cannot break below 0.011. Okay, that price level is where we need to maintain support. Let's go ahead and put in this forecast of VeChain continuing to see a market move higher. And like I said, 0.011 is where we cannot see VeChain go below in order for us to maintain prospect and probability of market moving higher. So we'll TP the market though in this particular forecast at 0.0125. Okay, so 0.0125, which would be about 6.5% into the market for VeChain. Okay, so yeah, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market of VeChain. We're going to TP it at 0.0125, but when I zoom out, you guys can generally tell here that we could actually see the value of VeChain gain like another 11.5 to 12% market movement high in price, and that's being conservative. Okay, the market, based off what's going on a weekly time frame, can definitely hit that 0.014 price level in the long term. So just wanted to come in, give you all the update on VeChain. The bullishness is looking to continue based off the price chart. From the market trapper perspective, he's still interested in seeing the value of this currency move higher in price. Simple. So that is the forecast for VeChain. You guys can continue to watch what goes on and see if our forecast is actually plans out as what we expected it to do. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.